the 31st of May and the east coast of Australia. This is your weather forecast for the week ahead. This is a satellite image currently, not a lot happening. And if I was to give a summary, quick top headlines of the week, it is that it is a fairly stable, moderate week. Apart from Tuesday, there's not a lot of rain arriving, not a lot of wind. So let's have a look into it. Let's start where we are. Scattered showers sort of across Sunday, not totaling anything, especially in the coastal areas, more to the eastern side of the ranges. It's the same across here. Let's go into Tuesday or Wednesday. This is where some of the intense weather in the south of the country from this cutoff low creeps up along the ranges and into New South Wales, but it does not arrive in southern Queensland. And in fact, southern Queensland receives, I believe, no rainfall for the week. Scattered showers for the rest of the week ahead in New South Wales, a little bit more to the east of the ranges rather than coastal areas. We do get a bit of coastal rain for the weekend, Sunday and Monday, maybe up into Brisbane, but we'll have a look at that next week when we're closer to that in the forecast. Having a look at wind, it's a very similar story. These light blues are light wind, so 0 to 20 kilometers here. And we get a little bit of a ramp up in the days, up to 30 or 40 kilometer gusts, but that's fairly consistent. Tuesday, this is where the intense wind comes from that cutoff low and brings that rainfall into Wednesday. But yeah, fairly moderate winds throughout the week. Okay, let's have a look at our Jane Weather Pro forecast model. I've picked it to Sydney. Make sure that you go into the website and adjust it to your location to get the most accurate weather forecast possible. Okay, so across here, we've got our highs in the high 20s. Tuesday is where we see that rainfall, not much, 0 to 4 mils, depending on where you are. Again, a little bit more into the interior of the state of New South Wales. But all in all, sunny for the rest of the week, a little bit of cloud later. Lows are in the low teens, chilling off into the weekend later, which is also when we have our nice spraying conditions. Spraying conditions are fairly decent this week, except for Tuesday when we get that rain and wind coming from that cutoff low up into the east coast. Let's have a quick look at this Tuesday rainfall day just to show you the sort of spread and uncertainty in here. We can see that some models, so the EU model is giving us 1.9 mils, the Oz model is giving us 0 mils, but this sort of changes throughout the day. This is pretty typical of quite a showery, light scattering day. So yeah, nothing really to write home about. Brisbane, I just want to quickly show you again that it is pretty much calm, sunny conditions. Yep. Sunny conditions throughout the entire week. Maybe, hopefully, a little bit of rainfall into the weekend. Okay, so let's have a quick look at that 2-week range forecast. This is the forecast chance of exceeding the median rainfall 4th to the 10th of June. We are unlikely to exceed that in southeast Queensland. And again, in that interior New South Wales, where we're getting the remnants of that cutoff low, we're maybe getting median rainfall there as well. Okay, that is the overview for the eastern coast of Australia. A fairly moderate week, nothing intense happening. Just nice sort of sunny, clear days. Not a lot of rainfall on the forecast, unfortunately. Okay, have a fantastic week.